We're about to meet Captain Régis Daumesnil, who is going to tell us about the pleasures of sailing along the New Zealand coast. As we sail along the coast, we see areas that are extremely well preserved. The scenery varies quite dramatically between the North Island and the South Island, which is very green. The high points are when we sail into the fjords, what they call sounds. The scenery and colours are absolutely stunning. The same goes for their sub-Antarctic islands. The scenery is surprisingly wild and beautiful with a rich biodiversity. Every port of call is truly breathtaking. I've been with Ponant for 20 years, so that adds up to a lot of amazing sights, so many magical memories. Sailing on a cruise ship takes you to the most spectacular places, the most incredible destinations. Whenever we encounter mammals or birds or amazing scenery, we make the most of those moments, so passengers can really appreciate and enjoy them to the full. They are all part of our treasure chest of Ponant moments. See you soon for another episode of Beyond the Seas.